Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to this video. I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook profile picture without posting. Without further ado, let's get started before we head on to the Facebook app. Make sure that it is up to date. So to check, just go to your App Store or to your Play Store and see if your app is up to date. This is to ensure that we'll be facing the same user interface, and so you will be guided all throughout. Now let's just head on and click on Facebook right here to open it. And from the home page or any other pages, click on the menu icon at the bottom right-hand corner so that you can see our profile. So that will not be shared as an update to your newsfeed or to your friend's newsfeed. Just click on Save right here. Now, if you don't want any interaction to your current profile picture, just click on your profile picture again. Click on this View Profile Picture option. Click on this three-dotted button at the top right-hand corner. Click on Edit Privacy and click on Only Me. So setting it at that privacy option will disable any people to interact with this certain profile picture. And that is how you can basically change your Facebook profile picture without posting or without sharing it to anyone's newsfeed or to your own newsfeed. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching, and